engineer Azamad. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will solve down this complex mathematical question. So you have to write down this on your notebook. Let's get started. So first of all, this is our question. We have to break down this question. Okay. So now we can take common here. Okay, both are same. So take common. If you will take common 10 power x, then here 1 plus 1 is equal to 200. So 10x into 2 is equal to 200. Now we have to eliminate these two. So divide 2 on both sides. We have to eliminate these two. So 10 power x, these two would be cancelled out, is equal to 200 divided by 2 is 100. So we have to now break down this 100. 10 power x is equal to 10 multiplied by 10. Now we will use this question by using logarithmic expressions. Okay, so there are two formulas: log of a power b is equal to b log of a. So this is the formula, and the another one is log a multiplied by b will equal to log a plus log b. So we have to use these two formulas. Okay, now taking log on both sides, so log of 10 power x is equal to log of 10 multiplied by 10. So now we can use these two formulas. Okay, so here this formula will be used, second one, and here the first formula will be used. This 10 is instead of a. So so now this x log of 10 is equal to log of 10 plus log of 10. Now we have to eliminate this log, so divide log 10 on both sides. So here it would be cancelled out. So x is equal to log 10 divided by log of 10 plus log of 10 divided by log of 10. So here this would be cancelled out, this would be cancelled out. So x is equal to 1 plus 1. So our final answer is x is equal to 2. Thank you so much viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button.